Hi, I am the founder of Business and Investment Consultant. This is my first video to be uploaded on YouTube channel. We are going to provide business and finance related video education in order to help guide and mentor all our viewers, subscribers with my extensive experience and knowledge which I have gained throughout my 25 years of business career. Kindly do support my channel by like, share and subscribe. So we are making very short videos in order to save your time and effort so that we can pass our knowledge very smoothly. So first topic we are going to learn is about the passive income and active income, which are very important in our life. So there are two types of incomes we generate. Number one is that active income. Active income is where we trade our time and skills with money. We have to be actively involved directly or indirectly in order to earn the income. Example like wages, fees, commission, salaries, bonus, etc. This type of income is generated by professionals like doctors, engineers, accountants, lawyers, and other employees like salesmen, workers, and small business owners. Passive income is which I really like, and this income is generated through the little or no effort. Examples like rental income, investment, dividends, capital gains, profits, royalties, etc. Such incomes are generated by big business owners, franchise owners, writer and investor. So today in this short video what we have learned is about the active income and meaning of active income and passive income. So now next video we will be sharing you the difference between the what are the differences between the active income and passive income. So kindly follow us, subscribe us, and share and like our videos. Thank you so much guys.